paano tayo nagkakilala?
Saan
Siya
ba?
po, may kasalanan. Siya po.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're my reality.
Nagkakalala kami ng February 12, 2022 sa oras na, di ko lang, 11 a.m. mga ganun.
Oh.
Around that time. Kasi we were asked to lead sa isang short film sa aming home church sa LA First, Filipino Church of the Nazarene sa Los Angeles. So the film was about seeking God first and then trusting that God would give you the right person. So yun, nag-film na. Tapos from there, we became friends. And then the rest is history.
Yes.
It's history.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take.
Paano ako naligaw? Paano nga ba?
Nagyayaya siya. Nandinig ako na ba nun? Nag-start yun nung si Tep Tep Ay. Ano ba nag-start yun? Basta si Tep Tep Ay mag-citizenship. Kasi February nag-citizenship si Tep Tep. March 16 tayo.
February ano?
Last week ng February.
20 ano yan?
Manan.
Oh.
Basta March 16 tayo nag-Beverly Center.
February ano yan?
Oh. Hindi ko maalala. Basta February.
With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us.
Ganda mo sagot mo.
Nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Siguro kasi nag-aanap ako ng Christian yung believer. So yun yung pinaka main main hinahanap ko nung time, pinagpipray ko nung time na yun. Yun lang. As simple as that, believer.
Kasi gusto ko yung idea that he's very respectful. Mabait talaga siyang tao. Oo. Tapos, masayang kasama. Ganyan. Tapos, bakit? Bakit? Oh, tsaka siya, maayos siyang makitungo sa mga tao.
We choose you.
Isipin lang natin yung will ni Lord sa atin, kung kailan niya ibibigay, kung kailan darating. Kasi pag pinush natin yung gusto natin at hindi yung will ni Lord, hindi rin magiging masaya at hindi rin tayo magiging successful sa relationship na pinasok natin. Sabi nga din sa kanta, He makes all things beautiful in His time.
Sa Bible din yan, Ecclesiastes. Dad ko kasi he passed away 2016. I wish nandito siya, may witness niya, may hahatid niya ako. But since he's not here, I know he's with the Lord and he's very happy there. I'm just grateful kay Papa kasi siya nagpangalan sa akin. So kaya naging Faith yung pangalan ko. Siya din yung at a very young age, before even we reach 1 year old, may mic na kami sa crib. He would capture our sound. Tapos every week he would teach us a new song. So hanggang ngayon dala-dala namin, memorize namin yung mga songs na tinuro sa amin ni Papa. So I'm grateful to the Lord for giving us a dad who really imparted to us the heart to really worship God. Kasi kita ko yun sa buhay niya na he really loves the Lord, na I would see him in his guitar, singing to God sa early in the morning and even at night. Yung ikaw ni matuturete na, tama na, tumigil ka na. Pero he really loves worshiping God.
I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
God willing, may anak na kami. Yun, may pamilya, ano tayo, mag-workout, mag-exercise. We have more dreams for the future. Kasi, ano man naman, we go from strength to strength pag na kay Lord. So, mas maraming dreams, mas maraming, na-travel, na puntahan.
Grow old with you. Old na tayo pero grow more than...
Hindi mo naman tayo old!
Grow older with you. Grow older with you.
For the rest of my life, with all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose